Hello everyone, my name is Harender Jangra and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an application in Intune Portal using .exe media. So I'm going to create an application for VLC player. So I have a VLC.exe in this particular path. I also have a valid subscription for Azure and Intune. So this is my Azure portal and this is my Intune portal. So now you have to open your Intune portal and you should have enough rights to create an application. So I am logged in with a global administrator account in Intune portal and I already assigned a license to this user. So Intune portal, you cannot create an application using exe based media on Intune portal. First, you have to convert your exe in Intune Win format. So uh, to change the format of exe in Intune Win format, you should have a particular media. You should have a exe. So let me show you. So this is my exe. Microsoft Win32 Content Prep Tool Master. So there is a exe Intune Win app util.exe. You can download this exe from Microsoft site or once you download this exe, then you have to run this exe through command line. So let me open the command line. Open command prompt through run as admin, and then you have to open this path. Let me go cd space c users. This is in SSM admin user, and this is in downloads, and then it is in Microsoft again. So if you type a command dir, then you will see Intune Win app util.exe is there, and you have to run this Intune Win app util.exe. Then it will ask you to provide the source folder path. So now you have to provide the exe path where you have VLC or any other application media. So now I have copied my VLC exe media in this folder, soft VLC. So just copy this path and provide here, enter. Now it is saying the setup file name. Now just copy the name of this file, including extension, and provide, enter. Now it is asking specify the output folder. So same path we can use, which is we use for source folder. Now it is saying, do you want to specify catalog folder? Yes. Now the catalog folder path, same path we can use. And now it will create a media, and that media we can use in Intune portal to create an application. So now all the things is done. Finally, you can see a message 100% done. So when you go there, so you will see there is a another media got created with the extension of .intune win. And through this media, we can create an application in Intune portal. Go to your Intune portal and click on apps. So this is the app we are going to create it for Windows. Click on Windows. Now click on add. Here you have to choose the app type. So now we are going to create Windows app Win32. So this type of applications, for this type of application, we have to choose Windows app Win32. So choose this option, click on select. Now provide the shows path, select an app package file, and here provide the path of Intune Win. So I have this media. So automatically it will judge all the details, size and name. Click on OK. Now it is very similar to applications. Like when we create application in SSM, then what type of details generally we provide. So we provide the command line name, version, manufacturer, and requirement detection, dependency, supersedence. All these type of things we provide in SCCM, and same thing we provide in our Intune portal. So this is the name. You can change the name VLC layer 3.0.11 version. If you have to change the description, then click on edit description and you can change the description. Publisher, you can provide app version. It is not mandatory, but you can provide. These are the optional. You can skip and simply click on next. Now you have to choose the install command line. So through which Intune will try to install this media in your client machine. So if your command line is tested and it can install uh, as per your requirement, then you can specify the command line in this tab. So I have the command line for installation. So let me provide. You also have to specify uninstall command line. So yes, I also have uninstallation command line. Let me to copy it. And install behavior, do you want to install it for system or do you want to install it for user? System, it means like it will install for system, either user is logged in or not. But if you choose user, then it will only it will install this application when user is logged in. Otherwise, it will not try to install it. So device restart behavior, you can choose any of the options. Like if you want to restart your machine post installation of this application, then you can choose this option. And may force a device restart, like it will ask to reboot whenever it actually it will require. So return code, we don't want to specify any extra return code. Default is okay. Click on next. And now the operating system architecture. These two requirements are mandatory. You can see the star button here and rest of the details you can skip. So operating system architecture, which type of architecture it should have. So yes, this is the 32-bit installer file and we can install it on both type of operating system. Like we can install it on 32-bit as well on 64-bit architecture. And the minimum operating system should be Windows 10 1607 we can choose, but you can choose as per your requirement. Click on next. Now we have detection rules, same like we use in SCCM. We can use here detection rules. Just if you have a PowerShell or any other script, then you can use this option. But if you want to specify the manual detection method, then you have to choose this option and click on add. And rule type, you can choose any of the options, MSI, file, registry. So we can choose file and we can provide the path. So this is for detection rules, like whenever Intune will try to install this application in any of the targeted machine, first it will check this detection method is exist or not. If detection method is exist, then it will understand like this application is already installed. Otherwise, it will understand this application is not installed, already not installed, and it will try to install it. So you can choose any of the path. Like in this machine, I have installed VLC player, so I can use any of the path, file type path. So whenever we install VLC player, then this uh, file get created on this path. So this is the detection method. Just void and just cut the last exe and paste here, and file or folder exist. This file should be exist, and associated it is default. Click on OK and click on next. Dependency, we don't have any dependency. We don't need any supersedence. Now this is for assignment. Actually in SCCM we use deployment, but if we talk about Intune, in Intune we do assignments, and we don't do assignment on collection. We do assignments on groups only. So if you have created any groups, dynamic group, static group, whatever group you created, you can use group for assignment. So click on assignment, and if you want to choose required deployment or available deployment, then you can use any of the options. And if you want to deploy, if you want to assign this application with required option, then click on add group. And I have already I created a group, Azure AD join devices, and I can use this group. Simply it will try to install and available as soon as possible, but it depends on you how you want to deploy this application. You want to schedule or you want to change anything. Click on next and click on create. So now you can see your application has been successfully created, and now it is uploading. So it will take some time and it will show you the progress. But before that, let me do one thing. In my last video, I joined a machine into Azure AD. So that machine is not the member of our group, which we use here. So just click on groups, and it will show you the list of all the groups which you created. So this one we use here for assignment, Azure AD join device. So just click on this and click on members. So right now we just have one members, and this machine is not active right now. So let me show you which machine we want to use, because we have this machine 1909-1. So this is the machine. Which is joined under Azure AD. Yes, 1909-1. So click on devices, click on all devices, and this is the machine. So further assignment details we will cover in our next video, where we will show how you can make an assignment, and how you can how you can download the content, and how it install the application in your client machine, and which log file you can check. So all those details we will cover in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and please subscribe my channel.